G'day, this is Alan from World Acupuncture. I'll be over in Wellington next weekend. Australia Day weekend in New Zealand, a very dangerous place for an Aussie to be. However, I just wanted to give a quick heads up. The reason why I travel around the world teaching about traditional Japanese acupuncture. This is my lovely receptionist Elvira. I've actually known Elvira for over 25 years now. She was one of the first students I taught in college, way before I knew anything about Masakazu Ikeda Sensei or traditional Japanese acupuncture. Elvira is constitutionally tends to stuff from migraine headaches, and she just told me at lunchtime today that she had been suffering from headaches over the last few days. So I said to her, after lunch, jump up and I will give you a quick, what we call a root treatment using the command points, and we'll see what we can do about sorting you out for the afternoon so you're feeling better for the day. Having done that and used the water points on the kidney and liver meridians, very superficial insertion, nothing more than 2 millimeters, shunting or slightly dispersing if you want to call it, gallbladder 41, and tonifying large intestine 11, along with about a 5-minute rest with a lavender bag on her eyes, and Elvira will tell you the story.
Headache's gone. I find acupuncture absolutely amazing.
So, okay, the treatment took me all in all 2 minutes. That's why I'm traveling the planet, teaching people about this amazing traditional acupuncture, where we utilize the information and the logic of the traditional Chinese classics, and we put it into use using the incredibly refined living skills of traditional Japanese acupuncture. This is Alan from worldacupuncture.com. I hope I can see you in Wellington next weekend. I look forward to putting in some good times and doing some good treatment and having fun.